Hi everybody, good morning. I have a message to share to you, and I received a word from the Lord, a words from the Lord that said get ready. And perhaps this words is for you too, but surely this words is for me, and it's all about the task that I am going to do here in this earth, and that God will use us all for his glory, for the coming work on, for the work that is already laid in us, and that God wants us, surely, in my experience, and for you too, God wants us to work for his kingdom. And you should get ready as always, for the task we are going to do is a great task. Maybe we cannot still figure it out because it's all in the hands of God. And I'm just sharing this to you because this words is for me, and this words will be for you as well. Thanks for watching my video, and God bless you.